Is your bathroom small, outdated, or just not working for you anymore? Maybe it feels cramped, cluttered, or just plain boring. Don't worry, you're not alone. In 2025, bathroom design is going through a major glow-up. And the best part? You don't need a huge space or a massive budget to transform your bathroom into something beautiful. Today, smart design is all about doing more with less, using clever layouts, space-saving solutions, and modern trends that make even the smallest bathroom feel fresh, open, and incredibly stylish. In this video, we're diving into the top bathroom design ideas of 2025, from floating vanities and smart storage to natural textures, spa-like vibes, and high-tech upgrades that can completely change how your space looks and feels. So if you're thinking about a remodel or just want to refresh your bathroom decor, you're in the right place. These ideas aren't just trendy. They're practical, beautiful, and perfect for real homes like yours. Let's jump in and explore how you can turn your small bathroom into something stunning. 1. Floating vanities and wall-mounted fixtures. If you're working with a small bathroom, one of the smartest ways to make it feel bigger is by lifting things off the floor, literally. Floating vanities are a big trend in 2025, and for good reason. Instead of a bulky cabinet that sits flat on the ground, a floating vanity is mounted directly to the wall. This creates an open space underneath that makes the room feel more airy and spacious. Your eyes see more floor, which tricks your brain into thinking the bathroom is larger than it really is. And in a tight space, every little visual trick helps. Not only do floating vanities save space, but they also look sleek and modern. They come in a range of styles, from warm wood tones to glossy white finishes, so you can match them to your personal taste. Some even include built-in lighting underneath for a soft glow at night, adding that extra spa-like touch. Wall-mounted sinks are also rising in popularity. These are perfect if you're going for a minimalist look or need to save every inch. Without a bulky base or cabinet underneath, a wall-mounted sink keeps things open and uncluttered. Pair it with a slim mirror cabinet or floating shelf above for storage, and you've got a clean, functional setup that looks amazing. What makes these fixtures perfect for 2025 is how they blend style and smart design. They're not just about looks. They help you move more freely in your space, make cleaning easier, and support that less is more trend that's dominating modern interiors right now. So, if you're remodeling or refreshing your bathroom this year, think vertically. Wall-mounted fixtures and floating vanities could be the perfect upgrade to make your small bathroom feel bigger, brighter, and totally up-to-date. 2. Smart storage for small spaces. Let's face it, clutter is the enemy of any small space, and bathrooms are no exception. When towels, bottles, and toiletries are scattered everywhere, even a decent-sized bathroom can feel cramped and chaotic. That's where smart storage comes in. In 2025, bathroom design is all about keeping things clean, simple, and well-organized without sacrificing style. One of the best solutions? Built-in shelves. These can be added inside your shower wall, beside the vanity, or above the toilet. They blend seamlessly with your bathroom design, while giving you space to store essentials like shampoos, soaps, and even small plants or decor. No bulky furniture needed, just smart use of your walls. Next up, mirror cabinets. These are an absolute must in small bathrooms. They combine two functions in one, a mirror and hidden storage behind it. Use them to keep all your daily items, like toothbrushes, skincare, or medicines, tucked away but easy to reach. Everything stays off the counter, and the space feels instantly cleaner. Another clever idea? Slim vertical drawers or pull-out cabinets. Instead of big, deep drawers that take up space, go for tall and narrow storage. These fit perfectly in tight corners or beside your vanity. You can also add hooks, rails, or towel ladders to your wall to store robes and towels without taking up any floor space. In 2025, it's not about how much storage you have. It's about how smart you are with the space you already own. By choosing the right storage solutions, your bathroom will feel more open, organized, and calming. So if you're tired of clutter and searching for things every morning, try rethinking how and where you store your stuff. A few smart changes can make a big difference. and turn even the smallest bathroom into a well-designed, functional space that feels good to walk into every single day. 3. Go big with tiles. Here's a design trick that's making a big splash in 2025. Go big with your tiles. Small tiles with lots of grout lines are officially out. This year, it's all about large format tiles that create a cleaner, more seamless look. And if you have a small bathroom, this trend could be your secret weapon. Why? Because big tiles make small spaces feel larger. Fewer grout lines mean fewer visual breaks on the walls and floors. That creates a smoother, more open feel. It's a simple design move, but it can completely change how your bathroom looks, and more importantly, how it feels. Large tiles aren't just for floors, either. Use them on the walls, in the shower area, or even as a full-feature wall behind your vanity. Choose soft, neutral tones like beige, light gray, or cream to reflect more light and give your bathroom a fresh, airy vibe. You can even go with a matte or stone finish for that modern spa-like look. Another bonus? They're easier to clean. With fewer grout lines, there are fewer places for dirt and mold to build up. That means less scrubbing and more time enjoying your beautiful bathroom. And if you want to add a touch of luxury, look into tiles that mimic natural materials, like marble, travertine, or concrete. These give you that high-end look without the high-end price or maintenance. So whether you're redoing your floors, refreshing your shower walls, or going for a full remodel, bigger tiles can make a bigger impact than you might think. It's one of the simplest ways to make a small bathroom feel more spacious, elegant, and on trend in 2025. Big tiles, big style, and big results, all without breaking the bank. 4. Natural materials and earthy tones. If you're looking to create a bathroom that feels peaceful, cozy, and timeless, this trend is for you. In 2025, we're seeing a major shift toward natural materials and earthy tones. People want their homes, especially their bathrooms, to feel like a calming retreat. And the best way to do that? Bring the outside in. Start with wood accents. Think floating wood vanities, wooden shelves, or even a slatted wood ceiling panel. These touches instantly warm up a space and add a natural texture that feels grounding. If real wood isn't practical for your bathroom, there are plenty of waterproof wood look options that offer the same cozy vibe without the maintenance. Stone finishes are also trending, whether it's real stone or a high-quality imitation. Pebbled floors in the shower, stone sinks, or matte stone look tiles can give your bathroom a spa-like, organic feel. These textures help connect the space to nature and bring a sense of balance and calm. Now let's talk about color. Earthy tones are replacing stark white and cold gray. Think beige, warm taupe, soft greens, muted terracotta, and sandy tones. These colors feel soft and inviting, and they work especially well in small bathrooms because they add depth without overwhelming the space. Pair these tones with warm lighting, natural fabrics like linen or cotton, and a few plants, and suddenly your bathroom feels more like a private spa than a basic washroom. What's beautiful about this trend is that it works for any style: modern, rustic, boho, or minimalist. And it doesn't take much. Even a few natural elements can completely change the atmosphere of the room. So if you want your bathroom to feel warm, relaxing, and connected to nature, 2025 is the perfect time to bring in those natural touches and soft, earthy shades. The result? A space that looks good and makes you feel even better. 5. Glass showers for the win. If you want your small bathroom to feel instantly bigger and more open, there's one upgrade that makes a huge difference: glass shower partitions. In 2025, bulky shower curtains and heavy, framed enclosures are being replaced with frameless glass panels. And it's easy to see why. They give your bathroom a clean, modern look and create a sense of openness that you just can't get with traditional dividers. Unlike thick walls or busy prints, clear glass keeps your sight lines wide open. That means your eyes can see all the way across the room, even through the shower, making the entire space feel larger, lighter, and more connected. And here's the best part: they're sleek and stylish. Frameless glass showers look elegant and minimal, no matter what your design style is. Whether you're going for modern, spa-inspired, or even rustic vibes, a glass shower fits right in. Worried about privacy? You don't have to go with fully clear glass. Frosted or textured glass panels give you the same open feeling while keeping things more private. You can also go half glass or corner entry to match the layout of your bathroom perfectly. Another benefit? They're easy to clean. Without all the extra frames, tracks, or fabric, you just wipe them down, and you're done. It's low maintenance and looks fresh for years. Plus, glass showers work really well with other design trends we've talked about, like large tiles, earthy tones, and floating vanities. Everything flows together, creating a cohesive and calming space that feels intentional and thoughtfully designed. So, if you're planning a bathroom update, don't overlook the shower. Replacing that old curtain or clunky enclosure with a clean glass partition could be the easiest way to modernize your space and make it feel brand new. 6. Smart bathroom tech. Let's talk about the future, because in 2025, bathrooms are getting a serious tech upgrade. And no, it's not just about looking fancy. It's about making your space smarter, more efficient, and more enjoyable to use every single day. One of the most popular upgrades this year? Touchless faucets. These sleek, sensor-activated taps help reduce water waste and keep things more hygienic. No more messy handles or dripping knobs. Just wave your hand, and you're good to go. Perfect for busy mornings or when your hands are full. Next up, LED mirrors. These aren't your average mirrors. They light up at the touch of a button or even motion sensors, offering bright, even lighting that's perfect for makeup, skincare, or shaving. Many models even come with built-in anti-fog features, dimmers, and smart displays that show the time, weather, or even play music. Stylish and functional? Yes, please. And if you really want to elevate your comfort, consider heated floors. There's nothing like stepping out of the shower onto a warm tile floor. It's a small luxury that makes a big impact, especially in colder months. Plus, it helps keep the space warm and cozy without bulky heaters. Other cool additions include smart toilets with built-in bidets, self-cleaning features, and night lights. Or shower systems you can control with your phone, set the water temperature, spray pattern, and even the playlist before you step in. The best part? Many of these gadgets are designed to be energy efficient, water-saving, and low maintenance. So you're not just upgrading for style. You're investing in convenience, comfort, and sustainability. So if you're remodeling your bathroom in 2025, don't skip the tech. Even adding just 1 or 2 smart features can completely transform how your bathroom works and how it makes you feel. 7. Statement lighting and bold mirrors. If you want to give your bathroom a quick upgrade without a full remodel, here's a simple trick. Play with lighting and mirrors. These two elements can completely change the look and feel of your space, especially in small bathrooms where every detail counts. In 2025, statement lighting is a major trend. We're talking about more than just a basic ceiling light. Think sleek wall sconces on either side of the mirror, modern pendant lights that hang with style, or even LED strip lighting under the vanity for a soft, ambient glow. These lighting choices don't just help you see better, they set the mood. Warm lighting makes the space feel cozy and relaxing, while cooler tones keep things crisp and energizing. One of the standout features this year is the backlit mirror. These futuristic mirrors give off a gentle, halo-like light that's perfect for daily routines, and they look incredibly elegant. Many of them also come with dimmers, anti-fog features, and even built-in clocks or Bluetooth speakers. Now let's talk about bold mirrors. Gone are the days of boring, frameless rectangles. In 2025, mirrors are making a style statement. Round mirrors, arch frames, and even asymmetrical designs are stealing the spotlight. Choose a mirror with a unique shape, a striking frame, or a colored tint to add personality and elevate the overall look of your bathroom. Here's the best part: you don't need a big space or a big budget to make these changes. Swapping out a mirror or upgrading your lighting can be quick and affordable, but the impact is huge. Your bathroom goes from basic to beautiful with just a few smart updates. So if you're looking for a simple way to refresh your bathroom, start here. Because when it comes to design, sometimes the smallest details bring the biggest transformation. 8. Add a pop of style with wallpaper or accent walls. Want to bring some life and personality into your bathroom without making it feel crowded? Then it's time to talk about one of 2025's most fun and creative trends: wallpaper and accent walls. Small bathrooms don't have to be boring. In fact, because they're small, they're the perfect place to try something bold and unexpected. One easy way to do that? Waterproof wallpaper. Today's wallpaper is nothing like the old stuff. It's moisture-resistant, easy to install, and comes in endless styles, from tropical prints to modern geometrics, soft florals to textured looks like linen or stone. Add it behind your vanity, above the tile line, or on one full wall. It instantly adds color, texture, and character without taking up any physical space. And because it's easy to change out later, it's a low-risk way to try something new. Not into wallpaper? Create a tiled accent wall instead. Pick one spot, like behind the mirror, inside the shower, or around the bathtub, and use bold or patterned tiles to make it stand out. You can go for a dramatic contrast color, a glossy finish, or even hand-painted tiles for a one-of-a-kind look. Accent walls help draw the eye and create a focal point in the room. They make small bathrooms feel more stylish and more intentional, like every design choice was made with care. And here's a tip: balance is key. If your wallpaper or tile is bold, keep the rest of the space simple and neutral. That way, your accent becomes the star without making the room feel too busy. So, if your bathroom feels a little plain, try giving one wall a personality of its own. A pop of color or pattern can turn a small, forgettable space into a place you actually enjoy spending time in. 9. Final tip: think function. When it comes to designing or remodeling a bathroom, especially a small one, there's one golden rule to always remember. It has to look good, but it also has to work for you. In 2025, bathroom design is all about blending function and beauty. That means choosing pieces that not only fit your style, but also make your daily routine smoother, faster, and more enjoyable. It's easy to get caught up in the latest trends or Pinterest perfect looks, but the best bathrooms are the ones that make sense for your life. Need more storage? Go for a floating vanity with deep drawers. Hate clutter? Install a mirrored cabinet to hide the mess. Want a calm, relaxing space? Choose soft lighting and earthy tones that soothe your senses. Think about the little things you do every day: brushing your teeth, doing skincare, getting ready in the morning. Every design choice should support those routines. Whether it's a wider sink that doesn't splash, a lighted mirror that helps you get ready faster, or a towel rack that's finally in the right spot, these details matter. The good news is, in today's design world, you don't have to sacrifice style for practicality. Modern storage solutions, tech upgrades, and smart layouts are built to do both. You can have a bathroom that feels elegant, trendy, and personalized, without giving up comfort or convenience. So as you plan your bathroom makeover, always ask, does this look beautiful? And will it make my life easier? If the answer is yes to both, then you're on the right track. Because, in the end, a great bathroom isn't just about how it looks in photos. It's about how it works for you every single day. Outro. So, which of these bathroom design ideas caught your eye? Would you go for a floating vanity? A smart mirror? Maybe a bold wallpaper accent wall? We'd love to hear what you're planning for your own space. Drop your favorite idea in the comments below, and let's chat about it. If you found this video helpful or inspiring, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. It really helps support the channel. And if you're passionate about home design, decor tips, or renovation ideas, make sure to subscribe for more videos just like this. We're always sharing the latest trends and creative ideas to help you make your home feel amazing. Also, hit that notification bell so you never miss out on what's new in the world of modern interiors. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video with more ways to turn everyday spaces into something beautiful.